Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I will be talking about the amazing benefits of using vitamin C in skincare. So vitamin C is one ingredient I'm super excited to talk about, but before I continue with this video, I would really like that you guys take out the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you guys get notified whenever I upload any future videos. That would really mean a lot to me. Along with that, if you click on the bell icon, you will get notified whenever I do giveaway announcements, because I do giveaways very regularly now, and I post it in my community page as well, and I post it on my Instagram stories as well. So in case you guys don't want to miss out on giveaway opportunities, then please click on the bell icon as well whenever you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I start talking about vitamin C, first I want to talk about my skin type, because in the end I will be talking about from my own experience. I am in my 30s now. I'm in my early 30s. I am 31 years old at this moment when I'm filming this, and I have a very sensitive combination skin type, and I have an oily T-zone, and around my chin area I face a lot of hormonal breakouts. So when it comes to hormonal breakouts as well, I have to be super careful regarding what I put inside my body as well, what I eat, drink. That also really matters. So when it comes to skincare, you cannot always depend on skincare products itself. It's very important that you are hydrating yourself. Not only hydration is so important, that it is amazing for not only the outside of your body, the looks of outside, but also from the inside as well. So vitamin C is one ingredient which you can apply it either tropically outside on your skin. Vitamin C is something which works amazing for the inside of the body, and at the same time for outside for vanity purpose as well, for the skincare. So it is something which I really like. It really helps for immunity boost as well, and for health benefits it's very great. So vitamin C is a great antioxidant ingredient, and it really helps in fighting free radicals and helps protect from sun damage. Really is a very good anti-aging product as well. It helps fight anti-aging, wrinkles. It helps to smoothen out the skin as well, the texture of the skin also. It really helps to smoothen that out and minimize the pores. So it does a very lot of things for the skin. So vitamin C is one ingredient which really helps to fight sun damage as well. So if you have dark spots, sun damage, then vitamin C is one ingredient which really helps to fight that, and it helps to minimize any scarring on the face or the skin. So it's really great for that.
Introducing Plum's Vitamin C range, which contains vitamin C face wash with mandarin, 1.5 vitamin C toner, 15% vitamin C serum, and a 3% vitamin C moisturizer. I love that just like the serum, all the other products also contain 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, kakadu, plum, and Japanese mandarin, which not only brightens skin and fades dark spots but also boosts collagen production. What I love about this range by Plum Goodness is that it has no artificial colors, no fragrance, and no essential oils. Plus, it's 100% vegan, paraben free, and cruelty free. I begin with cleansing with the vitamin C face wash. It is a foaming face wash that gives me an extra dose of glow without stripping my skin of any moisture. I then like to spritz the 1.5 vitamin C toner. It is an alcohol-free and instantly refreshes my skin and preps for the next step. Gently using my hands to just dab onto my skin and let my skin absorb the toner. After toning, it's time to treat my skin with the 15% vitamin C serum. I gently massage my skin and let it absorb into my skin. This serum packs in potent 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a staple vitamin C, has Japanese mandarin and kakadu plum. I always like to lock in the goodness and hydration with the moisturizer, and this 3% vitamin C moisturizer does all of that. It also contains argan and almond oil that additionally makes my skin baby soft without it feeling excessively greasy by regulating sebum production. I love how it also helps calm any inflammation and works as an uneven skin texture. Who doesn't like a moisturizer that does it all? And make sure to top it all off by wearing a sunscreen when doing this kind of skincare routine during the daytime. And don't forget to use my coupon code in order to get 10% off on all Plum products on their website.
So vitamin C is one ingredient which is my favorite when it comes to achieving that glow effect on the face. If you have a very special event that you have to attend, maybe either, for example, if it's your engagement, or if it's a wedding you have to attend, or if it is your wedding, if you're crazy for that glow effect, then vitamin C will be your best friend. So vitamin C basically really helps to brighten up the skin. It gives that nice glow in a very natural way, and it's very important that whenever you do use any kind of skincare which has vitamin C, or any kind of other antioxidant ingredients like acids as well, so if it's like salicylic acid or AHA or BHA or even retinol as well. So the answer to that question is that yes, you can use vitamin C skincare products during the daytime and during the nighttime as well. But in case you're using it during the daytime, make sure to use a very good sunscreen in order to protect yourself from sun damage. So that's very, very important. So when it comes to what kind of ingredients you can mix with vitamin C skincare products, there are three main ingredients, which is vitamin E. You can mix it with vitamin E. It actually works very well with vitamin E ingredient. So that is why in the market you're going to find a lot of vitamin C skincare products paired with vitamin E. Along with that, vitamin C also works well with niacinamide and ferulic acid. And another thing about vitamin C ingredient is that it is a very unstable ingredient, so you have to be very careful where you store it. So it's always important that vitamin C skincare products should be stored in a very cool, dark area rather than storing it in front of direct sunlight, because the three factors of light, heat and air can really make the ingredient very unstable very easily. And that is why you will notice that most of the vitamin C skincare range comes in a very dark bottle. So the bottle either is going to be very opaque in color, or it's going to be in a very dark glass bottle. So it's very important that you store it in a cool, dry place so that it doesn't change its color. So environmental factors really matters where you store this particular ingredient. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you all, and please don't forget to ask me anything if you want to in the comment section. It would really mean a lot to me if you take the time out to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you guys get notified whenever I upload any new future videos and do giveaway announcements. So please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss that opportunity to participate in any future giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.